I caught a bud. Red one, where orange, yellow was. Bring it over to me then. Thank you. It's fucking fake. It's not real. It's not real, motherfucking stupid ass shit ass bud. It's fake. Give me the middle finger, huh? Give me the fucking middle finger. Give me the middle finger again. Come on, I dare you. Fucking dare you. Give me the middle finger again. Oh, because I break that middle finger if you do that again. Oh, break it out. Yo, break it in half. Break it. Skin up. Yeah, break it. Skin up. Break it. Break it. Then I have it for maybe breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'm not cannibal, but I stole it. People in an island need to eat another person. If they travel with another person, they need to eat that person, don't they? To survive. I'll call this survival. Sort of. Not really. I think so. Maybe not. Let's go. Thank you very much. I take that blood with you. Hello there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe. See you in the next video. I'll be doing a lot more skits like this. So yeah. So let the comedy begin.